not.
Really? Does it? I mean, I should be able to just go like that and turn left.
Instead of goofing up the switch,
Yeah, it was hard. Hey! No, it's not good driving. No, there's a nut there. I gotta.
I'll discuss it with you. For safety's sake, based on...
Not too big an explosion. So next day we brought it onto the road. Yeah, I put a big steel block there. And underneath this is big exploded.
Well, I just got food so far.
That way.
I learned from last time. I'm gonna stand over here.
What's the only thing?
Don't be so slow.
Oh no. Oh.
I guess so.
That's not good. Do they have any other engines?
Did it have another plane?
Did they blow the whole thing up?
Don't look like it.
It looked like it got stuck on there. Where?
Well, they left one part after. Uh-oh, it knocked the end of it loose.
The launching rod was too thick and it got the rocket stuck and it sat there and blew the back end off.
So what do you do now?
We replaced it.
That'll work.
Is it? You got epoxy big stuff somewhere?
I don't know.
A little bit.
Hey, Rocket just told me to mess with
All right, Todd.
The whole thing is toast.
Right. Well, no, this is no big deal. I can fix that real easy.
What about the tube?
The tube is what I'm worried about now.
If it was for bad luck, we'd have no luck at all.
All right, bring that thing over here.
Is that you?
Have it, have a little lift on the front of it and have it go.
That's what I said.
I'm game. To do what?
Horizontally launch it, just like kick it.
Do
Just
it.
like
Do it.
yeah.
Get up on top of Haley's.
I've got a doweling rod.
Of course, the
and I put
business
it in there and broke it off. The rest against that.
I said we just get it.
Also look at the back one.
Firecracker.
See, when it gets up here, it's got fairly
Well, it's going to be going straight up.
well,
It's not gonna be.
but this resistance. In
I
this
don't want to
thing
be
is
right
making
here.
it
I know
turn.
that much.
If there was no resistance,
I'm
on
over
it, it'd
there.
shoot up.
Are we gonna tape this like right here or something?
No, we're going to put it like
The dowel
dowel.
between that. But
inside of that on the ground.
so feel that the resistance is making it turn over.
We'll sit and find out what happens.
I've seen it. There's a lot more resistance.
Whatever you want to do, guys.
So that
Take it off about there. Is that what we want to do?
Yeah.
Tape that to the rod.
Small.
I want to get this straight. You're going to be handling nuclear reactors on Navy vessels in the near future.
We don't have to fly reactors.
Well,
And they weren't engineered
Something
by
goes wrong with them, they
Auburn.
sink.
That was the snare drum. Exactly.
This feels like an execution.
Putting all the pieces.
Yeah, put one at the top
Parts.
there.
With a reactor, you can't change a light bulb without a procedure. You have to have a procedure on it. Unscrew lamp. Counterclockwise. For 2/3.
Why does it worry me that have to have directions?
It's the really sad part. You guys write the procedures and never do them. So you go through a procedure on
What are we doing there, Todd?
step 2.
I'm making a stabilizer for the wing to launch.
Oh, by the way.
You must be an engineer from Auburn.
Yes.
Remember the impression they told you to read the whole lab before?
How often did you actually? I mean, those things came with directions.
Point it horizontal towards the right car.
Yeah, really.
They'll teach you not to use the wing.
Excuse me! Why are you doing this?
He's a rocket expert.
I don't like this idea.
So he could say, someone asked him, what are you, a rocket scientist? Yes.
We just built the guts of the plane. You can do that.
Okay, who wants to press the button?
I'm not.
What are you doing?
You run.
Run perpendicular to it fast. Perpendicular.
3, 2, 1.
Now wait, what's my prediction?
Hey, it worked! It worked! It's cracking now.
Hey, it tracked the sun. It flew right to it. It flew right to it. You can't get any straighter than that.
Right to the sun.
We got to get a close-up of this here.
It took that wing right off.
Well, I'm going to hit the ground high speed.
It took it out at the body. Check it out, man.
It's dead, Jim.
Man, that